Good morning, guys. Our vlog for today is what's in our fridge. So we have the 5 double door fridge. I don't know what height of this, maybe 7 feet. This one, guys, if you can see. Okay, so we will start here in our freezer. So what's in our freezer? We open here, guys. So we start here. We start on the top and to the bottom. So we start on the top. So we have here a different type of vegetables, frozen vegetables we put here this side. And the second layer is we have a ham and cheese sausage. And I asked my husband to buy me some Vienna sausage or a hot dog because I like sometimes. It's very seldom we buy this one. And this all is all pork meat, pork goulash. And yeah, in this layer, in second layer, so here is all fish. In the third layer we have a salmon, we have a tamban. It's called tamban in Philippines. It's all fish. In this third layer, fish fillet, and yeah, it's all fish fillet. And in the fourth layer is we have I'm gonna sit down. So we have seafoods, mussel stew packet with shells, and the other one mussels with no shell. And we have prawn, fish with crumbs, that other side. And here is all chicken goulash, breast chicken fillet. And yeah, because my husband is not allowed to eat chicken with skin, so we always buying chicken fillet from now on. So here we have a pork mince, beef. Most of them, or most of this layer is beef meat. And the last bottom, or the last layer, is we have oxtail 3 packet, and here is all lamb meat. So this is our freezer. And this one is medyo makalat siya. We will start on the top. So we have a margarine. That one is for baking, for my baking. And this one is aswete. If you are a Filipino, you know what is aswete. And at the back is, I still have half of onion here, and mayonnaise, and garlic, and feta cheese, apricot jam, and yeah, I don't know what is that there. So okay, that's is done. So in this second layer is yogurt. We have a lot of yogurt, cut pineapple, whole wheat brown bread, another yogurt there, and here is all leftover food on this side. Here is water, leftover smoothie this morning. And my husband glassed water, have 2 container of milk, low fat milk. And in the bottom, the other side, and the next layer is I have a cucumber lemon water, and I have here a sweet potato for my lunch, and I have here salad. And in the other side is, this one is soup, pork soup o nilagang pork. And here is all the vegetables here that we have. We have a cucumber, mushroom, lemon, and apple at the back, ginger, tomato, cabbage, sayote or choco, and this in the bottom is all onions. In our door fridge, the stuff here is lard, but we cannot eat that anymore because my husband is not allowed to eat fat. We have eggs. My husband's medicine is all dressing salad, and also my husband cannot eat this one. And the other side is all different sauce, mustard, another lard, different type of mustard, chili hot sauce, chili sauce, another sauce, chutney, and fish sauce. And the other one, the last one, is small water, lemon juice, tomato sauce container, jammy sauce, and tomato sauce here. So that is all inside in our door fridge. We are finished in our fridge tour, and thank you for watching. And I'm sorry if our fridge is not new. So this is, I think, 5 years old or 6 years old fridge, and yeah, but this still working 100%. Can stack a lot of meat in this fridge, or we can put a lot of stuff. So we always buying a lot of meat because sometimes if we don't have money to buy, so we still have stock. My husband always do. He always put, or he always buying food for in case of emergency that we don't have money to buy. We buying a lot and we just keep here, but usually our meat is last until 1 month. So we not always thinking what we gonna buy. So we buy bulk, and we love to buy like on special. So that's why my husband he buy a lot of meat if have on special in the shop. That's what we do always. We always think ahead. So yeah, simple life, simple living. So all guys, and thank you for watching. And yeah, we are have a simple life here.